I'm just about to record for you our club style cha-cha-cha. This is the beginners club style cha-cha-cha, and it's solo practice routine number 5. Now this was actually taught in a class on the 12th of October 2020. I know, okay, but I've just been going through all the records and checking every single playlist, doing a lot of work in the video library, and I realised that this one wasn't recorded as a separate summary routine. It's in the main class, it's in the video library under the 1 hour class, so that's the 12th of October 2020. This was actually during the original lockdowns. It's actually quite a long routine, especially for a beginner's routine, but we were on about week 8 of the course, something like that. I am going from my notes, obviously, because that is a long time ago as well. So I'm going to make a little start. I've got the mambo first. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Second bar was a right turn. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. I use my left foot for a grapevine to the right. 2, 3, 4, tap on 5, little half grapevine, and then 2 Susie Q's, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Bring the right foot through, use it for toe heel, 2, 3 and a back ball change, 4 and 5. We're going to do slow Cuban breaks, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's do that again, okay? There's actually 8 bars, and that's the first 4, it's the first half. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Considering it's a beginner's routine, that in itself is probably enough to practice with. So if you wanted to stop there, and don't worry about the second half, more than welcome to, but this is the second half, bars 5 to 8. Okay, we've just finished 6, 7, 8, 1. I'm going to do a little New Yorker, so I'm going to point myself directly to the right wall, and then I'm going to cha-cha slide across. So I'm going to do 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I'm going to do 3 walks and a tap. 6, 7, 8, 1. Bar 6, I'm going to use that left foot for tap, tap, Susie Q. And that count was 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to step point on the way back, or New York flare. 6, 7, 8, 1. I'm going to turn 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And the last bar, 3 walks forwards again. 2, 3, 4, tap on 5. Back Susie, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. I did add in a left turn in the original class, but that was because we were practicing left turns at that stage, and that would become bar 9, but you really can leave that out. You don't have to put it in, I'll do it just now, but that would have been 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. But to be fair, not really necessary. The 8 bars that we have is a lot. Let me dance all 8 bars. Sorry, still with the piece of paper. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Left turn, which is optional. and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Well, that was a long routine, and I do believe that was quite towards the end of that course. And that was on Monday the 12th of October 2020. If you're in the original video library looking through the beginners 8-week classes, that was the summary of the routine that we did at that stage. So, apologies for the delay. I did not realise that that was not up in the playlist. So if you're watching this in my video library, thank you so much for persevering with my administration skill or lack of. And if you're watching me in YouTube, it would be really great if you could hit the like and or the subscribe button and help me grow the channel. I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.